Ate Winchell, Kuya Mat is for you now.
Okay, or Aitoria?
Go for Kuya Mat. Okay, Ayesh, Kuya Mat is for you. Huh? For you only.
Ayesha, what do you want from Kuya Mat?
Ate Winchell, show me Kuya Mat picture. You have a Kuya Mat picture.
Ayesha, what do you want from Kuya Mat?
Meron kaming boses, ikaw ang wala, kaya nabulong din siya. Akala niya nabulong ka.
What do you want from Kuya Mat?
Oh, yes, Kuya Mat down there. Kuya Mat coming in December. You want to go to Philippines also? Yeah. You want to see Kuya Mat? Huh? Yeah. Kuya Mat will prepare pancake again? Huh? I want the potato chips at the pan. Do you want pancake from Kuya Mat? Ito chick, ito man, ati Wilda, ito, ito,
Ayesha, what do you want from Kuya Mat, ha?
Mami? Pagbukitan all the time. Ito to Ate Michelle kasi. I will give Kuya Mat to Ate Michelle. Ito pan, cute.